thirsty. Feeling a need to drink something. I am thirsty, so I need some water. He felt thirsty after running. Climb. To go up something like a tree, stairs, or a mountain. I can climb a tree. They climb the mountain every summer. Ride. To sit on and control a bicycle, horse, car, or other vehicle. I love to ride my bike. She rides a horse every weekend. Comb. To brush or fix hair. She combs her hair every morning. She uses a comb to fix her hair. Clap. To hit your hands together to make a sound, usually to show happiness or approval. We clap when the show is good. She clapped after the song. Shout. To speak or cry very loudly. They shouted with joy at the game. Don't shout in the library. Ask. To say something to get information, help, or permission. I ask my teacher a question. She asked for a glass of water. Throw. To make something go through the air by moving your hand quickly. He throws the ball to his friend. Don't throw your toys on the floor. Carry. To hold and move something from one place to another. I carry my bag to school. They carried the boxes to the car. Catch. To grab or hold something that is moving. I can catch the ball. He caught a fish in the river.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!